Hello and welcome to the penultimate giveaway in the 12 days of Christmas. This one is for this little quadcopter here. This is one I reviewed a little while ago. This is the Eachine ER349SX. Great little name. Now it's a nice little quad, but it needs to find a new home. So if you're interested in going in the prize draw, as usual, like, comment, subscribe. I'll pull the names out of the hat at the end of the first week of January. So good luck to everybody and stay tuned for tomorrow's, which is going to be the last giveaway for this 12 days of Christmas. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.